All right, children, the time now is 5:30. Let's begin lesson. Can you hear me loud and clear? Can? Excellent. Thank you so much. All right, so Shiloh, please take care of your own health, right? COVID is no fun. Actually, my boy is actually in a what's that called? In a play group. Then I heard that the kindergarten down there, right, the play group, right, a lot of them are getting like stomach flu. A lot of them are getting the hand, foot, and mouth disease, and also COVID. So scary. So yesterday
I got COVID from Saturday.
oh no. Then yesterday I didn't bring my boy to school, all right, because I scared that all these viruses are floating around. So scary. Oh no. All right, so
COVID-19 came.
yeah, so please take care of yourself, please. All right, you need to really take care and be strong, okay? Okay.
Now it's COVID-23.
Sorry again?
Now it's COVID-23.
Yeah, COVID-23, correct. Yes, it's been a few years already, right? Quite scary, like never ending like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so today, right, yes, later we will do a bit of Kahoot, all right, but let me just go into a little bit of the questions first, all right, then later we challenge again. And this time around, I want to challenge also. I want to challenge against you guys, all right? All right, can you see the share screen? Can you see that? Okay. So these are the house rule. You all know the house rule, right? Try to mute yourself. All right, but again, the class is only left the two of us, all right, the three of us. All right, so maybe you all can be free to unmute yourself. All right, if the class gets a bit bigger, then we have to talk about this again. Okay, so today, right, we'll be doing about something called volume. After the volume lesson, right, next week we'll do a compilation of the length, the mass, and the volume. Then after that, it's all about revision already. It's all about the mid-year assessment revision. All right, some of your schools is having some term 2 assessment, so we'll be doing some revision on that. All right, so yeah. Then let's move on to the questions a little bit. But before moving on into volume, right, we talk a little bit about the extra questions first. All right. So in terms of the volume and capacity, we'll be talking about some things like liters and milliliters. We'll be talking about subtracting and addition of volume, all right, and some problem sums, right? All right, so this is one question that I need you all to answer first. All right, get ready your pen and pencil, and get ready your exercise book. Just one extra questions. All right, are you ready? All right, Vanish Navi, ready? Ready, yeah? Okay, the answers, right? The answers, please key into your chat. Please key the answer, the final answer into the chat. Let's go. Try this question right now.
Is there a time limit?
No.
Okay.
Key your final answer into the chat, please. Go to the chat and key in the answer. Hello, Shiloh, are you okay? Vanish Navi, are you trying hard again? Are you trying? Come, you can do it. Come on. Just one question. And this is supposed to be your P3 work. So read the question properly. She has a total of 230 pencils. She gave each student 6 pencils. And eventually she has 2 pencils left. How many students did Mrs. Tan give the pencils to? So you're looking for the number of students. Read the question a few times. All right, you're not supposed to draw like 230 pencils out. Don't do that. All right, but you have to try to understand what is happening. So one student will receive what? 6 pencils, right? Another one student will receive another 6 pencils. And so on. After giving out to the last student 6 pencils, what happened? There is a remainder of 2. Right, there's a remainder of 2. 2 pencils. All right, and all these pencils, all these pencils add up to how many pencils? All these pencils add up to 230 pencils. Vanishnavi. Hello, where are you? Shiloh, understand the question? Understand my clue? Do you look at my clue? On the right, the drawing. Okay, so one person will get 6 pencils. Another one person will get 6 pencils. How many people, I don't know, but everyone will get 6 pencils. But at the end of the day, I got remainder of 2 pencils. You know that? Oh, Vanishnavi, you got it. Can I see your face or not, Vanishnavi? How come your face disappear? You got it. Right, you got the right answer. Right, do you like to explain to us? Come, unmute yourself and explain to us how you get the answer.
The Mrs. Tan has the total 220, which is the total pencils. Then so that she has 2 pencils left. So 230 minus 2 goes to 228. Then 228 divided by 6 equals 38.
Very good, huh? Shiloh, do you hear what Vanishnavi say? So down here, right, look at my drawing. Look at my drawing, Shiloh. Every one student will get 6. Every one student will get 6. A lot of students down here, I don't know how many, but each of them will get 6. Is that true, Shiloh? Is that true? Then at the end of the day, right, at the end of the day, there's still a remainder of 2 pencils. Can you see or not? So what must you do with this remainder of 2 pencils first? Because the 2 pencils is on the, yes, the 2 pencils is on the green color side. Can you see or not? It's down here. It's on this green color portion, right? Which I don't want it. I don't want it. All right, but my 230 includes it, right? So how? I take my 230 to minus away the 2 from here first. Minus 2. So that I get what? So that I get 228. And this 228 belongs to where? This 228 belongs to this portion. Can you see or not? This portion without the green. Without the green down here. Right? It belongs to down here. Can you see or not? Without the green. Can you understand? Shallow. Okay? So inside this red color portion, there are 2 to 8. Every student is getting 6 pencils. So what's the last step, Shiloh?
Divide.
Yeah, do you understand, Shiloh? Right, 2 to 8 is these people down here getting the pencils. But how many 6 are there? How many people getting 6 pencils each? So 2 to 8 divide by 6. Remember what I told you about division? Must be the same units, right? Pencils divide by pencils. Is it fair? Is it fair? Yes, I told you this before. I taught you this before. Pencils divided by pencils is fair. So do you remember how to do your division? Shiloh, can you annotate and do the division for me, please? Because last week you were telling me that you forget how to divide, right? Can you show me now? All right, I write the numbers out for you. Can you please annotate, Shiloh? Continue, you're on the right track. Good job. $18 is correct. Yep. Good. count upwards, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 is a 4. Remainder 4, right? Yes, on top is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Good, good. Then the bottom got a good. 12 minus 8 is a okay. Okay, bring down the what? Very good. Bring down 8. 6 times what is 48? Last step. Six times 6? 6 times 6, 36. You scare me. Okay, your mental summa must be strong, huh? 6 times table. 6 times 8. Yes. Good job. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you can what already? I will go over the answers for you. Thank you so much. Sorry, right, because annotation the system will not be able to capture. So yeah, let me work out for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, so Vanishnavi, you are right. Answer is 38. Good job. All right, so this is our extra question. You must know how to handle. All right, must be comfortable in dividing and all this. If you don't know, right, Shiloh, do like what I did just now. Draw a little, diagram, just to summarize out the story and to give you an idea. All right, it actually helps one. So you're supposed to get rid of the 2 first before you divide by 6. Is that okay? All right, so this is the extra question for the day. All right, now I think we can go into the Kahoot already. Ready? So P3 week 4. Quick notes, yeah. Wait, I need to start the Kahoot first. Okay, so please remember that mental sum, especially the division and multiplication, are equally important. Must know how to do. Must know. All right. All right. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the quick notes, the screen? Cannot see anything. Okay. Can you see? Shiloh, can you see anything? Can, you can see, Okay. So under the quick notes, right, a quick one, all right, where we talk about volume, right? All right, usually when we talk about volume, all right, we are measuring something called the capacity. Capacity, let's say, of a container or a beaker, maybe. Right, something that actually contains water. Contains a liquid. All right, it can be water, it can be orange juice and all this. Okay? And the units, right, for volume, right? We talk about something called liters.
I know that.
Yes. Good. And also called milliliters. Very good. All right. So for short, it's called L like that. And for short, it's called ml. And remember, there's a what? There's a conversion in between them. What's the meaning of conversion? There is an exchange. All right. So for every liter, how do you get to a milliliter? All right. The special conversion down here is actually a multiplication of 1000. It's just like your KKK. All right. Down here, milliliter to liter is a division of 1000. All right. So to make things simple, all right, 1 liter is actually equal to 1000 milliliters. Is this okay? Not too tough, right?